Ever wondered how sociologists actually figure out what's going on in society? Spoiler alert, it's not just guesswork. They use something super powerful. It's called the scientific method. Yup, that same process scientists use in labs, but flipped for the social world. Would you like to know how that works? Then stick around and find out. Step 1. Ask a specific question. Not just any question, but one we can study and which is narrowed down. Like, why do people ghost each other in online dating? Or, does working from home make people happier? Or, does religion bring comfort? And boom, we've got a starting point and we can take it from there. Step 2. Time to hit the books. Or, okay, Google Scholar if you must. You check out what other smart cookies have already said about this topic. This is usually called literature review. This helps you build a foundation based on solid research instead of starting from scratch. It also reveals gaps in current research and avoids you duplicating previous work. Step 3. Hypothesis time. This is when you apply the typical inductive method of research and come up with a theory first, as opposed to collecting data and concluding with a theory based on the data. That would be the deductive method. Back to the inductive method example. People feel comfort when they pray is a good hypothesis in this case. It's your best educated guess. Step 4. For the inductive method, it's time to test that hypothesis with actual research. In sociology, that could mean surveys with or without open-ended questions, observations you made yourself, experiments in a controlled setting, existing data. You go out, collect info, and stay as unbiased as possible. Science-y style. Step 5. Dive into your data like a real detective. What do the numbers say? Is there a patterns? Are there any outliers? Did the hypothesis hold up, or do you need to edit it? Maybe it held up, maybe it didn't. But either way, you're getting closer to the truth. And that is the goal of sociology, to get closer to social truths and reveal patterns in society and human behavior. Step 6. Conclusion time. You explain what you found, how it relates to your question, and what it might mean for real life. Don't forget to mention your method of research to make it easier for fellow scientists to duplicate or peer review. And, if things didn't go as expected with your conclusion, that's okay. Even wrong results help us learn in science. And finally, share your results with the public, with other researchers, maybe even on TikTok. Then, rinse and repeat. The scientific method is like a cycle, always evolving. And that, folks, is how sociologists use the scientific method to study society. One question, one hypothesis, and one data set at a time. Next time someone says sociology isn't real science, you can show them this video. Thank you for watching. For more mind-blowing sociology made simple, please like, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check my other videos.